So guess what? Today we have another video, quite obviously. I'm really trying to get back into the YouTube video, I don't know, production, because finals are happening. College apps that took up a lot of my time, and I did not want it to take up that much time, but it ended up doing that. So then YouTube kind of got pushed to the back burner, but now, especially since winter break's coming up, I'm gonna try to be uploading every other day. We'll see if that actually happens. That's what I have planned out, but life throws curveballs, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but that's just the plan, just to update. Anyway, today I thought it would be fun to do one of those like outfit of the weeks things, you know, but not really like just a boring old outfit of the week. No, not that. I'm not that boring. Just kidding, I love those outfit of the week videos. But today's outfit of the week video is unlike any you've ever seen before. Just kidding, you've probably seen something like this before. But today I'm gonna be dressing like my Zodiac sign for a week. So you know I'm gonna make an outfit every day for my Zodiac sign that just falls under the stereotype for the Zodiac sign of the Sagittarius, because that's what my Zodiac sign is. And it just happens to be Sagittarius season right now. So how convenient. You know, looking at the Sagittarius, like, what do you even call them? Like infographics depicting a Sagittarius and like what they wear and stuff, you know. You've probably seen those on social media. I'll insert one right here. But basically, all the outfits I've noticed that stereotypical Sagittarius wear, it's all like blacks, whites, browns, and tans, and then like neutral patterns, if that makes sense. So like there's patterns, but it's like not neon pink polka dots, it's like brown and black patterns. So that's gonna be the theme of my outfits for the week. So let's just get into the outfits. I hope you enjoy. Now go dress like your Zodiac sign. Okay, so it's really late out, but that's okay, whatever. It does not matter. That's why I'm talking quietly, because I don't want to wake up the whole house, because, you know, that would not be respectful. But okay, so today's outfit is just black and white, because you know what? Black and white epitome of the Sagittarius. So we have this fuzzy tank top shirt, not tank top, turtleneck shirt, and I can't stand turtlenecks. They make my neck uncomfortable, but that's okay, whatever. And then we have this Brandy Melville belt, and then these PacSun cargo pants, because... And also I'm not wearing any shoes either, because I didn't want to go downstairs and put shoes on, because that's a little bit difficult and I don't have the time or energy for that. So sorry, but just imagine I was wearing like black Doc Martens or white shoes. It's up to your imagination. Okay, what's up? It's Wednesday morning. I'm tired, but you know, Wednesday, I don't know. It's just the middle of the week, and I don't know. It doesn't make me as tired as Tuesday or Thursday for some reason. Don't really know why, but that's just the way the world works. Anyway, here's today's outfit. You know, I just stuck with the normal Sagittarius black and white. And then I threw over this little tank top over this PacSun turtleneck, because I don't know, I thought this was like a neutral animal print or whatever, which is, I just see a lot in the Sagittarius little things on the internet. So that's why I'm wearing this. It's a good neutral color and I like it. Lovely. So that's today's outfit, and we'll just have to see what tomorrow's outfit is, even though I already know what it is, but you don't, but you will in like 5 seconds, so. What's up? Happy Thursday. I have a final today. It's my first final. I am prepared, I guess, as much as I can be. It's not really that much. It's just like writing an essay, but not that you really care. Anyway, today's outfit is this black sweatshirt with pockets, wherever the pockets are. That's really comfortable. So once again, we're bringing back the whole theme of black. And then these plaid pants. I love plaid pants. Why is it not focusing?
I really love plaid pants.
But these plaid pants are like green and I don't know, almost black, so still fitting with the theme, and not more of a neutral plaid instead of like a bright yellow and blue plaid, because this is just more Sagittarius. At least I think it is. So now, of course, I forgot to put on shoes, so Nike socks it is. Happy Friday night, finally. This week has been so long. I don't really know why, because, you know, just a normal week. I mean, it's the week before finals, so everyone's stressed and everyone's screaming and everyone's crying. But, you know, life. Not the most fun week of the 52 in a year, but it's one of those that we have to get through. But it's Friday night. Here's my outfit today. Once again, very Sagittarius. We just have the black on tan slash khaki. I mean, I guess this is khaki. And once again, I didn't want to put on shoes because I am lazy. That's that, but this shirt is really big, but that's okay. I kind of like it. It's really comfortable. It's kind of like a pajama shirt dress thing, but you know, if I just pull it up about 12 inches, then it's normal length. That's the outfit for today. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what's up? How are we again? Nice to see ya again. It's been like 15 seconds on the video since I last spoke, but you know, in real life it's been like 24 hours, so. But today's outfit, once again going the black and white because apparently Sagittariuses don't know how to use color. I'm wearing this black t-shirt that says I'll meet you in New York, and then I'm wearing Tokyo pants because, you know, I thought that was funny. That like, Tokyo, New York, you know, that's not really funny at all, but I find it funny. You know, I was kind of just thinking about astrological signs. Obviously, like, the astrological signs are like stars in the sky, constellations. I don't know, I haven't taken astronomy class yet, so I don't really know. I want to know like the science behind the astrology because I feel like the actual science is kind of different than what's on social media. You know, that just seems to be the general trend with a lot of things. There's a difference between science and what's on the internet, but like, I don't know, so comment down below what your astrological sign is. I already filmed this outfit once, but of course, you know, guess what? My hand was covering the microphone like this the whole time because I'm smart and I didn't make sure that I was not doing that. Anyway, this is today's outfit, and it's just, you know, black and white and gray, kind of, you know, all on the grayscale spectrum. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But we have this white t-shirt with skeletons on it. Cute, cute, cute long sleeve sweater with stripes, always good. And we just have black joggers with a ton of pockets. Sagittarius gang. Woo woo. Hola! Final day. Today's outfit, you know, I thought going with all black would be really fun because, you know, that's just Sagittarius. Anyway, this sweatshirt is really cool because it says I need my space, and then it has like stars on it, which makes sense because like astrology, zodiac signs, stars, you know, makes sense, right? Probably not, but whatever. And my black pocketed leggings, and then these shoes, which I actually remember to wear. Also, those shoes are really good. I got them at Target and they look like Birkenstocks, but they were like $6, so you know, save money. And I also wear this hat too. I don't know if it's working out, but you know, go for
Fantastic.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these like outfits of the weeks, but Zodiac themed. You know, that was fun to do. And thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment something funny down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.